Crocodile Bird.
Oh, I am so scared all the time, and that is why I have no friends. Oh, I am lonely. I am hungry now. Wow, there are bananas on the tree. Great! These look sweet. I will try one.
Hey, what are you doing here? All bananas in this forest are ours. Go away, right now.
I am so scared of monkeys. I am hungry. Is there any food? Wow, these are eggs. But whose eggs? Can I eat it?
No, no! They are my babies. Do not touch them.
Gah! Phew, I am so scared of snakes. I am so afraid of many things, and that is why I cannot eat anything from this forest. Oh, what's this? It's a leaf. Oh, I am so hungry. I should at least eat a leaf. Ah!
Oops.
Why am I even scared of worms? I hate myself so much. Wow, it's a fish. No one is here, and this time I will eat it quickly before someone comes. Ah!
Chop, chop. What a pity it is. Hey, do not touch my fishes.
I am sorry.
Ouch! Ah! Oh, my teeth.
What is wrong?
My teeth hurt. I think the food is stuck between my teeth. Ow!
Can I help you?
Really? Help me, please.
But do not eat me.
Okay. Wow! I feel much better. Thank you very much.
No, I want to thank you for giving me some food, too. I was very hungry.
Will you be a friend of mine?
Really? Okay. You are my best friend.
My teeth will not hurt anymore, and
I will not need to wander around for food anymore.
okay. From now on, your name is Crocodile Bird.
Okay.
Crocodile Bird.